Hi everyone, welcome to Food Journey. Today, we're here in Silang, Cavite, a town known for its fresh produce and delicious food spots.
Hey guys, we're here at Daknoy's!
Daknoy's Resto Stop is a Filipino restaurant located in Balite 1, Silang, Cavite. This restaurant may please you with perfectly cooked bulalo, pork, fish fillet, and pancit bihon. Daknoy's Resto Stop is famous for its great service and friendly staff.
So, ngayon guys, maghahanap kami ng kubo kung saan kami kakain. Shandy! Shandy! Ayan. Filipino.
As you can see guys, ang Daknoy's ay very nature vibe and may kubo, and sa gilid ng kubo may tapayan kung nakita ninyo.
So, ayan, nandito kami sa Silang, at ang Silang is believed to be one of the province's oldest town, which is possible found in 1571. Kilala rin sila sa perlas ng Silangan na
Pancit bihon is a stir-fried noodle dish often served during celebration because it symbolizes long life. Next, we have the famous special bulalo, especially in Tagaytay and Silang. This dish is known because of the cool weather, making the perfect comfort food.
Process of cooking. Pancit bihon. First, soak the bihon noodles. Next, slice meat thinly. Chop vegetables into strips and mince garlic and onion. Cook the meat. Add the vegetables. Season and add the soy sauce or fish sauce. Then do the final mixing. Then ready to serve. Process of cooking. Special bulalo. First, prepare the meat. Next, add onion, garlic, and peppercorns to the pot. Lower the heat and let it simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beef is tender. Season the soup, add vegetables. Serve hot.
Hi guys! So this is my experience about visiting Daknoy's. So sa pagpunta namin doon, meron na silang cozy vibe and fresh air, and about dun sa ambience nila, Filipino vibe, as in doon ka mismo sa kubo, doon ka kakain, and yung mga mesa nila gawa sa kahoy, and meron silang mga bamboo sticks na design sa paligid, and meron din nature view, as in nature vibe, so Filipino-Filipino. And meron din sila, actually meron silang tapayan, kaya Filipino-Filipino talaga siya. Kaya para sa akin, goods yun, ganda yun. And about naman doon sa food nila, sobrang sarap, lalo na yung bulalo. Yung bulalo nila sa kulang pagkaluto, hindi tinipid sa gulay, masarap yung sabaw. And may extra sabaw actually, may extra silang sabaw na binigay. And about naman doon sa pancit bihon nila, perfectly seasoned, madaming mga gulay, madaming mga ingredients, sobrang sarap din. Sobrang sarap talaga niya actually. Kaya kung sa inyo, pag pupunta kayo sa Daknoy's, you must try their bulalo, special bulalo, and pancit bihon. And meron din silang ibang mga menus or food na siniserve sa mga customers nila, which I'm pretty sure masarap din siya. Kaya, kain kayo sa Daknoy's.
So, hi guys. Food review lang tayo sa kinainan namin kanina, which is yung Daknoy's. So far, sa food, it's 10 out of 10. As in, ang sarap ng food nila. Nakakabusog siya at sakto lang yung mga panlasa na nandun. Especially yung bulalo, sobrang lasa niya at sobrang sarap niya kasi yung karne ng baka is hindi siya ganon katigas. Like, lutong-luto siya. Sakto lang pagkakaluto niya at hindi mahirap kainin, unlike nung ibang natikman ko na bulalo. Sa staff naman, sa service, it's actually good din. Mababait naman yung staff, friendly, at nag-recommend sila ng mga food na pwede namin i-taste, especially yung mga specialty nila. Ayan, sa the whole restaurant itself, it's very, very, very out of 10. Kasi nature vibes, at the same time, makakapag-focus talaga kayo ng mga kasama mo sa pagkakwentuhan, especially with your friends, with your family. So, ang masasay ko lang talaga is very out of 10. Lahat ay out of 10 as in. Kasi tago siya, at the same time, ang tahimik ng paligid niya. So, makakapag-kwentuhan kayo at makakapag-focus kayo on each other with your friends or your family. So, it's very recommendable. I can say na possible, pwede pa akong umulit one more time. Kasi, ang sarap talaga ng food. Promise. Yun lang. Bye!
So, hi foodies. We're going to make a food reviews about something in Canada, which is Daknoy's. So, if hanap niyo po is food trip na sulit, and with the side of fresh air and nature vibes. So, let me tell you about our unforgettable experience at Daknoy's. Kanina, pagdating pa lang po namin sa place is napakasariwa na po ng hangin, and also, the place is surrounded by greenery, open skies, and a peacefully vibe that's make you feel relaxed right away. And then, parang sa probinsya, napaka-tahimik, maaliwalas, and perfect for unwinding. And so first up, the bulalo. Grabe, the meat was sobrang lambot. The broth and the the broth is rich, flavorful, and lasang hindi makakalimutan. So, it's kind of dish that warms your soul habang nakaupo ka sa kubo. And next, we tried the pancit, the softness mo sa panlasa, fresh ingredients, balance na po yung flavor, hindi tinipid, and definitely, sobrang sarap. Mas lalo pang sumarap habang pinapakinggan mo yung puno ng ibon sa paligid. And let's talk about the service naman po. The staff is super mabilis naman, and palakaibigan din po sila, and super accommodating. Feel valid and welcome entire time. So, sobrang ganda po talaga sa Duck Noise. And so, if you're looking for a place that delivers both sarap and serenity, you have to try Duck Noise. Promise, hindi kayo magsisisi. So, give Duck Noise a try. You love it. You all love it.
So hey guys, here's my experience at Duck Noise, which is yung pinainan namin for this activity. So, as a first timer, actually, naisip ko that time nung nag-travel pa lang kami papunta ng Duck Noise is actually like, baka naliligaw na kami, ganun. Sabi ko kasi, parang layo na, parang naliligaw na kasi, actually, tago yung location nila. So, mas okay na kapag punta kayo dito is, isa-search nyo muna kung ano nga ba yung parang landmark para hindi kayo maligaw. Kung saan siya malapit, para may palatandaan kayo. Malapit na ba kayo sa restaurant na kami? So, aside from travel, syempre yung food. Sa food nila is actually, natikman ko pa na so far is bulalo and pancit nila. Yung bulalo is, actually, it's nice. So, dami namin nakain. Ubos. Sibat talaga pati mo to. Sibat pati mo to. Tapos yung pancit nila, actually, 7 out of 10 for me. Parang ano siya eh. Tawag ito. Medyo matabang ganun. Pero naman ano diba? Hindi ko pa naman nabigyan ng menu nila. So, when it comes to place or ambience room, is actually very nice talaga. Kasi it's like a Filipino vibe talaga. Yung Filipino vibe kasi nakain sa kubo. Sa kubo kayo kakain with family, with your friends. It's actually perfect siya. Perfect siya kapag mababanding kayo or kapag nagkagawa kayo ng tawag ito, like may ginagawa kayo project, pwede kayong tumambay at that place kasi it's actually tahimik ang place. Tahimik yung place and hindi siya masyadong crowded kasi sobrang lawak yung place, location lang. So, and also, when it comes to the staff, it's actually they are very accommodating. Hindi kami na-bored. Yan, hindi kami na-bored. Naghahanap kami ng menu and entertain kami ng staff. Like, nag-joke siya. Ang random. Tinuturuan naman kung ano yung best na orderin. Kasi, para makatipid. Yeah. So, overall, all I can say is you must try to visit Duck Noise, Holistic.